1776 mind-blowing sync. So this information that I've put together is an amazing way, guys, to make people at least acknowledge numbers. Try it for yourself, because the numbers I am about to present are undeniable. Undeniable. So let's start off with the Illuminati, secret society. We've all heard of them, and the Illuminati are very real, guys. The Illuminati is a name given to several groups, both real and fictitious. Historically, the name usually refers to the Bavarian Illuminati, an Enlightenment era secret society founded on the 1st of May 1776 in Bavaria, today part of Germany. So the founder was Adam Weishaupt, guys. The 1st of May 1776. So there's your first, 1776. And then we have this, guys. United States Declaration of Independence. The United States Declaration of Independence, formerly the Unanimous Declaration of the 13 United States of America, is the pronouncement adopted by the Second Continental Congress meeting in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania on July the 4th, 1776. So 2 months before the Declaration of Independence was signed, the Illuminati were founded, guys. Is it not obvious that the Illuminati founded the United States of America, USA, guys? 1776, guys. So there's your second 1776. We had the first one here, 1776, when the Illuminati were founded. And then we have the 1776, when the Declaration of Independence was signed. Now check this out. Prince Philip, who recently passed away at age 99 on the 99th day of the year in 2021, was born June the 10th, 1921. Queen Elizabeth, who he was married to for 73 years, just know that 73 is the 21st prime. Prince Philip died in the 21st year of the 21st century. Queen Elizabeth was born April the 21st, 1926. Queen Elizabeth, guys, who was married to Prince Philip for 73 years, was born 1,776 days after Prince Philip. 1776. 1776. 1776. And I have another one. Coronavirus was declared a global pandemic, guys, on March the 11th, 2020. From that day, guys, to the upcoming US presidential inauguration date, January the 20th, 2025, 1,776 days. 1776. 1776. 1776. 1776. It's interesting that 1 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 gets you 21, the number I talk about all the time. All the time. So here, I've not used any gematria. This is date duration. These are numbers that you cannot argue with. The Illuminati was founded in 1776. The Declaration of Independence was signed in 1776. Queen Elizabeth was born 1,776 days after Prince Philip. And the coronavirus, guys, was declared a global pandemic 1,776 days before the upcoming Inauguration Day, which is going to be January the 20th, 2025. I've stated numerous times, guys, how big 225 is. Like 2025, 225. It's one of the main reasons why I like the Queen to die this year on the date that I've said. So, again, if you're new to this and you're doubting it a little bit, hopefully this wakes you up even more. If you have a lot of friends and family members who are just completely laughing at you and calling you a conspiracy theorist and numbers don't mean anything, show them this video. Because there's nothing in here that you can argue with in regards to the 1776 connections that I've put together. You cannot argue with them at all. And I'm going to leave you with this. Now check this out. When you put into the calculator 2 times 2 times 2 times 222, you get 1,776. 222, 222. I said early 2021 that 2022 would be chaotic and crazy. I said there would be a war. I said there'd be an economic crash. I said there'd be so many distractions. That has proven to be correct. Because in Gematria, order out of chaos, which is the Freemason motto, gets you 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Guys, 2 times 2 times 2 times 222 is 1,776. Can you not see how important numbers are and how sacred numbers are? I hope more people see this. I really do. And I'll keep pushing to help people see this. I will keep pushing, guys, to the point where my work just becomes completely undeniable. I won't stop. I will not stop. Oh my word, guys, look at this. 0.51 seconds, and the Illuminati were founded May the 1st, 5-1. And look at this 126 here, the number I always talk about. 126, that's when we told Kobe Bryant died. What is this? It's beautiful. And if more people saw this and understood it, there would be a global awakening. And the world would be a beautiful place to live in. But people need to stop being so distracted by the mainstream. I'm going to do a video soon telling you why Johnny Depp is all over the media right now. It's to do with his deceased mother, who died in 2016. I'll do a separate video. But please, guys, please share this work. I know more people are waking up now, guys. More people are subbing to my channel. More people are saying, listen, I can't ignore this work any longer. They're sharing it with the family members, their friends, their spouses, their colleagues. They're sharing it. This is sacred information that needs to be shared. You don't have to spread the good word of the illusion. Okay? But you need to start spreading truth and undeniable syncs and patterns, and stop believing in coincidences because they don't exist. Start accepting that the history that's been fed to us is bullshit. We have been lied to from birth. You have to find your own truth within you. Do not keep getting your truth from the mainstream, from the books you read. You need to find the truth from within. That's why the word truth has you in the middle of it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's blown your mind. I hope you're inspired to share this video. I hope you're inspired to just search for knowledge. It is sacred. Knowledge is power. That is a fact. So much love, guys. Take care. Thank you for supporting my work. And open up that beautiful third eye that you have, that's been hidden from you by society. Much love, guys.